Hey, what's going on, guys? Swap Depot in the building.
No, we don't do that here. I thought you weren't even recording.
Hey, what are we doing today?
Yo, shut up. Yes. Yeah, so we got Stoptech, and Stoptech.
No way, dude.
Yeah. See how these are like gold-ish and these are silver? I don't know what that's about. We got pads. More pads. More pads. Dude, it even came with the bracket thingies or the retaining clips.
Wow, they're probably not gonna fit.
It probably will. It's Stoptech, bro.
Yeah, alright, maybe.
I got these from FCP actually.
What are those?
Brake bleeder wrenches, whatever.
Oh,
So you put it on, and the fluid comes out of here.
oh, it's got a pre-built-in nipple, dude.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah. We got that. Well, I already have tools to bleed brakes, but I just bought these just because they look cool.
Just to make it easier, dude.
Then we have outer and inner rear brake lines, stainless steel. Front stainless steel lines. And then Whiteline Endlinks, because when I did the Megans, they didn't come with the Endlinks.
Sad piece.
Yeah, unfortunate. Bushings, I mean not bushings, the what's it called? Washers. We also have stud conversion. Stud conversion, you need this. And then Revshift Billet E90X, aka trailing arms.
Yeah.
Billet.
Yes.
And hardware.
Sick.
Alright. This is good. This is some good stuff. If you missed the exhaust video, make sure to see that. Because this thing is saucy.
Saucy.
Let me tell you. Sounds very good.
She meaty, too.
Yeah. So I guess the first thing we're going to do is the trailing arms, which is just 2 bolts and then put the new ones in, and they provide you with new bolts as well. And then we'll tackle the brakes afterwards. I know there's people are going to be like, why are you doing that? It doesn't make anything different. I don't know. Why
Weight
not?
reduction, bro. Not really. Kinda.
Yeah, sure. Weight reduction, do you want to call it?
Losing half a pound. It's good enough for me.
Obviously, you're going to need alignment, I think. I'm going to say yes.
I mean, if they aren't eccentric bolts, theoretically you shouldn't.
Well, you are still messing with suspension.
Right.
It's a good practice to do on alignment. My car has been aligned probably 50,000 times now, so it makes no difference. 51 times won't hurt it.
We'll wait on it.
But essentially, why I'm doing this is so everything looks and is new. So if once the car is making decent amount of power, nothing breaks.
Basically just future-proofing it.
Yeah.
Now this rear end is about to be super solid. She is free.
There you go. So you get this flimsy piece.
Yeah, it actually might not be weight reduction, but
weight addition. But look at this thing.
it's way more solid, though. You look like you probably step on that and bend it.
This is like tin can. So these come with the new hardware.
The brand new billet piece.
And it says out.
I wonder what that means.
Yes.
Bam.
Ta-da! Installed.
End of video.
Okay, bye.
Like, comment, subscribe. See you later.
Same shit for this side.
Alright.
Yeah.
Looking good, dude.
So, I did buy these two lines right here.
Aren't those called the midlines?
Yes, the mid lines. Most people change the outers, and then they're like, "Oh, why is my pedal still soft?" That's because your mid lines are still flexing.
Yep.
So we're gonna replace these. It's 11 mils all around, but the top is really a bitch to get in. So I have a tool for that. 11.
Wait a second, bro. This shit crooky. Alright, let's see if this tool works as well as you think it would.
All right, so there you go.
Oh my god.
It's hard to see, but the line is in between the subframe and the chassis itself. So to get a normal wrench in there is almost impossible. So I developed this tool. It's patent pending, and yeah.
Ollie Incorporated.
Yes. Swap Depot. What's up?
Swap Depot Industries.
Yeah. Like so. Take washer, put on. Take washer, put on. So the line doesn't travel upwards. Then you put washers on this side. And this one as well.
There you go.
Tighten. This you don't need a special tool.
It's just hanging out. Start off with the anti-rattle clip. Don't need that.
Is that what you call it?
Pretty sure that's what BMW calls it. But ain't my BMW though.
So you're supposed to usually use the brake caliper spreading whatever tool.
Who needs it?
I don't need that because I ain't using these. 16 in the back.
The whole shit's just about to fall off. Oh! Hey now. We'll bloop that one out.
I had to let it go.
It's okay, guys. This is a fart-friendly channel. We don't discriminate. Oh, there goes the caliper.
There goes those pads.
Oh my god! Alright, I'm standing over here for the rest of the video.
Oh.
There he goes. Ta-da!
Make sure you don't have your e-brake out. It's probably a good idea. Yeah, it looks good. Great. Put it back on.
Damn, that made such a big difference already. Looks like new car.
At this point, it already is. It's got new injectors, new spark plugs, new coils. The only thing it's missing is a new motor.
New motor.
That's good.
Fork spec ready. Oh.
Not yet. Here it comes.
Oh. Beep. Whoa. You heard that? Whoa. Double spec'd.
Yep, so brake lines are installed. The rotor is installed on that side and the pad, obviously. So now we do our stud conversion.
Get that blue Loctite.
I bought the really extended ones just in case. If in the future I run something weird or I decide to go with different lug nuts. Never know.
So, since you got the extended ones, does that mean you can put a spacer in there?
Yes.
Yes. Future proof.
I'm not planning on putting a spacer anytime soon.
Yeah.
Because I already have a plus 22 offset.
Yeah.
And I don't think I can go any more aggressive. Unless I go weak offset. Which we
never. That's it. Brake lines are already in, but you can't see that because...
Well, you can see it from there, but not really.
Too dark.
Yeah, too dark.
It's an unreleased stud conversion.
Yep.
Big ass caliper, fool. Oh boy. I already see the potato chips. Bro. There is no pad left.
Pretty much.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
I guess this one wasn't tight.
Jeez!
This is a nice lip.
It's brand new, dude.
And it's doing the wobble too.
Check it for run out. Stand on it.
I'm good.
New rotor install.
Left.
Make sure you get it right. Stoptech says.
Left.
God damn, focus, boy. Left. This is the left side.
They're going backwards.
Why are your brakes backwards? Shut up.
Because Stoptech says so. So I'll listen to whoever made these brakes.
She is installed. Except for the brake clip. Brand new line. Brand new rotor. Brand new pads. Now we got a brand new inlet from Whiteline.
You just sound weird.
You're just gonna max them like all the way tight?
For now, yes. And then once I get it on the line rack, I will adjust them accordingly.
How much does stud conversion kits cost?
It's like $100 and something, I think.
True, that's not too bad.
Oh yeah, and if you want this brake kit, I think it retails at like, say, 600 to 800. I don't really remember.
For the Stoptech rotors and pads?
Rotors, pads, lines, everything. It's called the Sport package.
Oh.
Yeah, so I guess the recap is did brakes all around, did stud conversion, did trailing arms, and brake lines all around. So the last thing is obviously bleeding brakes, making sure everything works correctly, and going for a test drive.
Yes.
I don't think y'all want to see me sitting here and
Yeah, I don't think anybody really wants to watch a brake bleeding procedure.
A brake bleeding procedure? Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, if you want to see
You
that,
guys want to see me sit in the car and press the brake pedal a bunch of times? Go to another channel.
Yeah, we ain't showing that because that's just too boring. So make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and I'm tired. So, bye.
Goodbye.